Is there a conflict of interest in the hiring of a politician's son at the NSWMA? Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, U.S. Embassy says pressure on to remove more illegal channels.
Health Minister says Portmore residents have no reason to panic over Zika virus.
The NIA calls for probe into whether local officials are linked to the Panama Papers.
And in the business day, licensing for ganja industry delayed.
There's also sports, commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Should Jamaica withdraw from CARICOM?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after this break.